My lordship, I'm carrying some documents which I just want to bring to your knowledge. I have not put on the record, but these are the very important documents.
If you want to rely on any document, you will have to file that.
My lordship, just I want to highlight it. Just it's
Then
nothing
how can I read those documents which are not on record?
My lordship, please. My lordship, just have a look. I'm not saying you take on those records just for the knowledge, sir. I'm not saying you rely on them.
I will take cognizance of only those documents which are already on record, nothing else.
But one document which I will just like for you to see.
You have to file this document.
My lordship, even
once it comes on record, then I will.
My lordship, sorry to say, even my petition in person, all the judges, they see my documents, even Supreme Court. Because
maybe.
No, but sir, my lordship, just one document. I'm not talking about everything. I respect the court. I respect the court. I'll bring on the record.
You are a petitioner.
Yes.
You come this side.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to look into any document which is not on record. If you want to rely on any document which is very important for your case, then you file it and come after that.
Okay, then my lordship, I talk about the present petition. Okay, I'm an advocate, lady lawyer. I'm a BA Economics, BA English. I'm a teacher also.
You please tell me your case.
Yes.
Nothing else.
Residing in Mumbai for Supreme Court.
What is your name?
Miss Harita Sunil Parab.
Miss
Harita Sunil Parab.
Harita.
Harita.
नाम reflect हो रहा है?
Now, my lordship, being a lawyer of Bombay High Court, for the Supreme Court, we have to frequently travel to Delhi. So since 2011, my lordship, I'm just showing. My lordship, if you see the page number 41.
Yes.
It is Harita Sunil Parab versus University of Mumbai. And it is dated 28/3/2012. Okay. And my lordship on page 42.
This is not 41. This is 40.
41, sir.
41 is blank.
47, 41.
41 is blank.
This.
No, this is no.
No, sir. It's 47. See, 1 minute, my lordship. 47, my lordship, sorry. 47. Now, this is the case.
47 with additional number 41.
No, it's 47, maybe in the other, my mistake. My lordship, now here, it's Harita Sunil Parab versus University of Mumbai.
Yes, it is.
Okay, it is Justice Lodha and Justice Gokhale. Okay, and my lordship, if you see page number 48, last paragraph, third line, however, the petitioner shall be at liberty to pursue appropriate remedy for compensation in accordance with law against the respondent. Okay, now the point, this purpose to show this paper is, since 2012, I am coming to Delhi High Court.
Sir, may I make one request?
1 minute.
Sorry, ma'am. Actually, sir, we have taken some instructions this matter. So please, it may be kept next week.
You are?
I'm for respondent number 1, Union of India. On behalf of Himanshu Joshi, sir.
You are appearing on behalf of?
Union of India on behalf of Himanshu Joshi, sir.
Are you not ready today?
Sorry, sir.
Are you not ready today?
Yes, sir. Actually, file.
In the very morning, she made a request and I kept it for 2:30.
Yes, sir. Actually, HY Mehta sir का नाम reflect हो रहा है. Name of.
Who are you?
जोशी जी के साथ अभी टीवी में
Each and every person is not allowed to intervene.
सर
Sir, actually, Himanshu Joshi sir is on TV, and name of H.Y. Mehta sir is reflected in the cause list.
Yes, H.Y. Mehta, but
Sir, he is not
he is
yet,
not,
yes.
not on.
So, ये सर वो कंफ्यूजन में इसलिए मैंने नोट नहीं कर पाया, तो वो फाइल हम देख लेते हैं और फिर नेक्स्ट वीक सर फाइनल आर्गुमेंट करते हैं.
Miss, any date?
My lordship, I am coming from Mumbai. After 5 years, the matter is stayed, and some matters in Bombay. I myself a lawyer, going to Supreme Court, Bombay. At least then keep it for tomorrow, sir. My lordship, not next week, sir, because
No problem.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Yes.
my lordship, and with the kind permission of the court, can I put my few documents on record?
No, not at all. You will
Tomorrow?
those documents with the registry.
But when you just direct the registry to take it, please, my lordship, after 5 years, I have been
If
coming.
you file any document, if you file any application,
Yeah.
then I will allow that it be permission to file that document.
I want to file it. Since the matter is on tomorrow,
Yes.
I'll file it, sir,
You
today
may
itself.
go there and file it.
Yeah, but the timing, because I'm come from Bombay. In case, my lordship, please, if you pass this order, just consider her papers.
Registry will take care of your request. Applicant through applicant Miss Harita
My lordship, fix the matter for tomorrow, so that I can articulate.
in person. And Miss Saab, what?
Surbi Behel.
For the respondent. So it's that in the morning, name of Sri H.Y. Mehta was reflected in the display board. Therefore, she is not prepared. The Himanshu, she is not prepared to argue the matter today. It may be jointly agreed list tomorrow.
My lordship, that timing fixed 2:30 or something like that, please.
No time. Timing to wait.
So I can argue in length, na, so my lordship, keep it for 2:30, no, please.
Today I would finish my board. I am not sure at what time will it be finished.
In case, I'll be there.
Yes, I will try to adjust you.
Okay.
Yeah. देख लीजिए आप दोनों तय कर लीजिएगा इन केस आई विल